Hi guys. So today, welcome to lecture number 6 of AI agent. So guys, this playlist is going really well. Today I'll be talking about something that is very important. That is using predefined tools from Langchain. So guys, people can tell you a lot of things, right? Do this, do that. But one thing no one is going to tell you that we should, whenever we are designing a solution, we should always first look at what is existing as well. So this is a very important practice, guys, because sometimes guys, due to our innovating capabilities and some sort of dilemma which we all have, we often try to think that we'll design the right solution, but sometimes guys, someone has designed a solution for us, and if we directly use it and tweak it a little bit, that works the best in terms of usability as well and in terms of time as well. So now someone is telling you, I need a system in which I can chat with CSV, so you can just, now you know that LangChain provides some agents or some sort of tools which act in agentic way. So where will you find them? First of all, go to here, go to tools and just click on toolkits. And so see guys, these are ready to use tools, right? You can integrate them anywhere. Standalone application, any workflow you want to create, any chatbot you want to create, anywhere you can use them guys. AI network, airbyte question answering, Azure AI services, Azure cognitive, Cassandra database, ClickUp, CSV. So like this is how you can chat with CSV data, right? So I'll be showing you, and guys, the code is nothing. If you'll just see, we haven't written any code, it's just we are importing it. This is our favorite code that we are using, right? We are just initializing the LLMs, making sure that our .env resides over here, able to set up the API key, importing stuff, and just setting up a basic LLM. Okay. And guys, all we need to do is just import this. Agent is equal to create CSV agent LLM. What is our file? So here in the same directory I have titanic.csv. verbose is equal to true, so that we can see everything in a description message. We are keeping the prompt whatever is going to be kept, and then allow dangerous code. So what happens is guys, this uses a Python interpreter as well, because in order to, let's say, chat with CSV, what is the architecture of chat with CSV? So let's just discuss that also for 1 minute. So guys, see, the architecture of chat with CSV is, it's not very difficult, it's simple only, just a little bit you need to understand. Let me just make this. So see guys, what happens is user comes, okay, sorry, yeah. So the user will come, he will type a question in natural language. The first thing that will happen is that he will upload the data frame, and that data frame, maybe you can convert it into pandas CSV, and then guys, your LLM will generate Python code based on this natural query, and that Python code will be compiled and run in a compiler, and then the output would be given to you. That's it guys, simple. So user is gonna come, upload the user data, so UD stands for user data, then he's gonna chat in question answering form or chatting, simple. Okay, he's gonna type in the question which he has. Based on that question, what will happen guys, your code will be generated. Which code? Your pandas code will get generated. Okay, and now if your code is generated, then it would get executed. Where? In the Python tool it will get executed. So everything is written in abstraction, and once it will get executed, it will give you result. Also guys, in case some error and also comes up, so it automatically tries to debug itself. Okay, this is the power of using existing ecosystem. They have created such a nice agent for you, you can try it out. So like, let's say I'm asking how many rows are there in the data set, you can run it. So it's saying agent is not defined, let's just define the agent first, and now you can directly run it. See, so see, the final answer is 891. Now are you able to see guys how many people survived in the Titanic crash? Just see. So what it is exactly doing guys, first of all, it will convert your query to some Python code, and then that will get executed, and you will have a clear answer in the end guys, clear answer which you can directly output in your chatbot or any other system. So guys, this is the power of using existing toolkits which are already showing some sort of agentic behavior in terms of in terms of some small task, right? Like chat with CSV is a small task, right? And if you want to like add anything to it, I have shown you already a lot of things guys. That is pretty much enough to build any agentic application as of today. We will cover frameworks as well, but as I said guys, even here, if I wouldn't have like told you or made you sure that what is happening in the backend, shown you the verbose that okay, your Python code gets generated, that gets run, and then the output comes. You might have not been able to get it. So guys, sometimes, like, see, it's always a two-edged sword, right? One thing is that sometimes things become very abstract, and sometimes they become very easy. So sometimes if you want to build a very 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 big application, then often people who are not, let's say, now you can't just take this thing and use it in a really big product without understanding it. So just take your time, read about a bit, and you will understand. So now let's look at another agent, guys. Wikipedia tool. So in our childhood, we have always used Wikipedia. Now let's say you want to create a system where you want the user to have access to Wikipedia tool. See guys, only a basic import, an API wrapper, how many maximum characters you want. Just create the tool and guys, run the tool, what query you want. So tell me guys, what query you want. Let's start talk about artificial intelligence. So guys, see, you're able to see how it is able to generate the response from where? From Wikipedia, guys. And now from Wikipedia, I can build down any application. I can create a research agent of my own which will go to Wikipedia and then summarize everything for me. Tell me guys whether it is possible or not. All these things are very much possible, but only thing you need to understand is know where things are. So there are so many toolkits, guys. Just look at them. There are so many toolkits. Let's say you want to chat to a Power BI data set. See, someone has created a tool, like obviously Langchain has created a tool that allows an agent to interact with the Power BI data set. So see guys, how much thinking companies are doing. And also guys, I'm not taking that Langchain is the framework that you need to use. You can use LangGraph, you can use Screw AI, you can use any other agentic application. That's not my concern. My concern is to make you understand where things are and how you can effectively build agents which actually solve something, right? Not any toy project. See, in lecture 1 we talked, like if you want to just look at the readme, in lecture 1 we talked about prompt chaining, response sanitization, structured outputs, parallelization, routing, orchestration, tool calling, function calling, evaluator, optimizer framework, and use predefined tools from Langchain. So guys, even if you will just use and see these 6 lectures, right, which are very small lectures, and figure out a business use case or any use case in your organization, and I can bet guys there are so many use cases there. Only thing you need to do is spend some time, figure out writing some good quality code, and you don't need to worry about that as well. You have AI tools which are going to help you do coding as well. But guys, one thing is important and very important, that is that whenever you're generating code via any AI assistant, make sure it works, right? So in my playlist, I have lately, like before launching this playlist, I'm just completing one very important playlist, that is PyTest. So guys, see, this PyTest is very important. Okay, this is a Python package that helps you test stuff. So here, even in 1 hour you can cover the entire PyTest. Okay, I have like shown you 2 videos on how to write basic test scripts, which is more than enough. And in the third video, guys, in the third video, I'll be showing you how to create a CI pipeline to monitor model drift, all using PyTest only. So guys, that is very important, because if you will do testing very well, right, then it's okay guys. Even a lot of senior developers and researchers are telling the same, that AI tools are great at, let's say, generating stuff, but is it correct? Is it optimized? Is it the best thing? So I'll tell you one basic example. So I was working on this any problem statement, and the LLM was failing to understand that the output variable has some other parameters as well, because it must not have been in its training data. And right now, like, it's not able to directly go to the, what do you call that, go to the latest version that has been released, what are the parameters, all that in real time. That all will be done in next 1 to 2 years. All this will be also done. This is not very AI problem. This is just engineering problem, and which would be cracked. Already you will see OpenAI cracking a lot of it. They would crack other stuff as well. But the thing is, nowadays you need to be aware that okay, this is how I need to figure out stuff. So guys, this lecture was important. You can directly use so many tools which are available. You don't need to code anything. Just try to build on top of that. Let's say you want to integrate Slack. So tell me guys, every startup has so much stuff going on in Slack, guys. You can automate a lot of stuff in Slack. Only thing is you need to know how to use this agent. Where will you find? In this documentation you'll find. And just see, like, it's very simple. Okay, it's just to see, send a greeting to my co-worker. All these things are very important, guys. Okay, so just try to spend some time and try to figure out one or two good use cases which your business can handle. So I'll just show you one thing. So right now I have identified one use case. So here I'll be deploying and productionizing every of my uh, AI agents project. Right now I have sort of automated a wiki generator. So wiki is a simple one-page documentation which you do for standalone small projects, right? Not the big projects that require proper documentation. And yet I haven't come across a tool that's going to take care of that big of a documentation, but slowly the components of it are already there. It's just about wrapping it inside stuff, and again, that is an engineering task, not a AI task. So I've created these type of things. So just try to focus on creating AI agents in your organizations. And guys, let me know if you have any doubts. Directly reach out to me on LinkedIn or Instagram. Thank you and have a great day, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys.